Trump is back in office, and one of his first major moves? He's already announcing massive new tariffs on imports, targeting China specifically and several other countries. If you're in dropshipping or using Amazon FBA, this changes everything.
Higher product costs. Shrinking profit margins. Slower shipping.
Is this the end of low-cost e-commerce as we know it? Let's break it down, and I'll show you how to protect your online income in 2025 and beyond.
Part 1. What are these new tariffs?
Trump recently said he wants to place a 60% tariff on all Chinese imports, and at least 10% on imports from other countries. This means if a product currently costs $10 to import from China, it could soon cost $16 or more. For Amazon FBA and dropshippers, that's a disaster. Margins will shrink. Some products will become unprofitable. And sellers who depend on low-cost Chinese suppliers might get wiped out. Part 2. Why dropshipping is at risk. Most dropshippers source directly from AliExpress, Temu, or Chinese wholesalers. If tariffs go into effect, shipping times will stay slow.
Product prices will rise.
And customers will go elsewhere for cheaper or faster options. Add to that, payment processors flagging international sellers. Increased refund requests from delayed or overpriced orders. And you start to see why dropshipping in its current form could struggle to survive. Part 3. The situation with Amazon FBA. Now what about Amazon sellers? FBA sellers rely on bulk shipments from China, meaning they'll pay more upfront for inventory. If you're importing 500 units, a 60% tariff adds thousands in cost. That either eats your profits, or forces you to raise prices, which makes you less competitive.
Even worse?
Fulfillment centers may get overwhelmed, and Amazon's policies could change to push out small sellers.
Part 4. What you can do now. Let's be clear.
Dropshipping isn't dead. Amazon FBA isn't doomed. But you need to adapt fast.
Here's how.
1. Source locally or diversify suppliers. Look at suppliers in Mexico, Turkey, India, or even US-based print-on-demand companies. 2. Focus on high-margin or branded products.
Avoid cheap, saturated items.
Sell products with better margins, or add real value to what you offer. 3. Start building an audience now. With an email list or personal brand, you'll rely less on paid ads and compete less on price.
4. Stay informed.
If you sell on Amazon or run a store, news like this isn't just politics, it's your business's future. Trump's potential tariffs are a big warning sign. Whether you're dropshipping, selling on Amazon, or building an ecom brand, the next 12 months could redefine online business as we know it.
The winners?
They'll be the ones who adapt early, diversify fast, and stay ahead of the curve. Hit the like button if this video helped you. Subscribe for more updates on dropshipping, FBA, and online income strategies. And let me know in the comments. Do you think tariffs will kill dropshipping?